Hare Krishna. I'll be reading a story, The Cracked Water Pot, which shows us the quality of self reliance. At the foot of a big hill stood a big bungalow. Of the many servants who were working and in that bungalow, there was a young man working as a water bearer. His only job was to fetch water from the nearby river. The water bearer had two large pots, each hung on both ends of the pole he carried across his shoulder. One of the pots had a crack in it, and the other was flawless. While the cracked water pot always arrived only half full at the bungalow, at the end of the long walk from the stream, the perfect pot arrived always in full. This went on every day for about a year, with the water bearer delivering only 1.5 pots of water to the bungalow every day. The perfect pot was proud of its accomplishment of not losing any water. He felt that he was doing his work perfectly. I am fulfilling the purpose for which I was made, he said. On the other hand, the poor cracked pot was ashamed of its imperfection and felt miserable that it was able to accomplish only half the job. At the end of a year, he thought that he was useless and a complete failure. One day, he decided to speak to the water bearer. I am ashamed of myself and I want to apologize to you. Why? Asked the bearer. What are you ashamed of? He added. For the past 1 year, I have been able to deliver only half my load because this crack in my side causes water to leak out all the way back to the bungalow. I feel very bad that you have to work without getting the full value of your efforts, said the cracked pot. The water bearer felt sorry for the old cracked pot, and taking pity on it, he said, he returned home today. He said, As returned home today, I want you to notice the beautiful flowers along the path in your side. Indeed, as they were returning back, the old cracked pot took notice of the sun warming of the beautiful fragrant flowers on the side of the path. The pot felt happy looking at the flowers. But at the end of the trial, the pot still felt bad because it had leaked out half the water that day too. Once more, it apologized for its failure. The water bearer smiled kindly and said to the pot, Did you notice that there were flowers only on your side of the path, but not on the other pot's side? That is because I knew that you had a crack which leaked out water. I took advantage of it. I planted flower seeds on your side of the path, and every day while we walk back from the stream, you have watered them for me. All these beautiful flowers are growing because of you. For the whole year, I have been able to pick these beautiful flowers to decorate the main hall in the bungalow. If you were not just the way you are, the owner of the house would not have had such beauty to grace his house. At last, the cracked pot understood that he had helped to make such a beautiful garden. After that day, he continued to do his work happily and never felt bad about the crack on its side. None of us are perfect, but all of us have some unique talents which we can be used in the service of God and all living beings. Thank you. Hare Krishna.